So, guys, as much as some people like Otawa Besta are living lavish in jail, banama TV, banama KFC, some people like Musa Kawula are actually suffering in jail. Right now, in his recent court appearance, his supporters say Uguti he looked nothing like the Musa Kawula that we know. Bamngisha ukudla, bamngisha ama-toiletries, bamngisha amaphilisi. Umusa udinga amaphilisi akhe. So now I don't know because khona abantu who are given amaphilisi when they need it, khona abantu who are allowed to have food, and all his bail applications have been denied. Now the chat is, yes, we understand all his crimes. Guti, he's been exposing a lot of corrupt people and talking but that is no reason for them ukuthi bamncishe amaphilisi akhe. Abamnika amaphilisi, bamnika ukudla nama-toiletries. There's no reason ukuthi uzustave umuntu to death or kill them by not giving them the medication that they need just because umuntu othile. Everyone needs a fair judgment. Ama rapists are even treated better. Murderers are treated better. Ama aboshwayo are treated better. So why does he now have to get an unfair treatment just because Umusa Kawula? Doesn't make sense. His supporters were able to raise up to 2,000 rand, which is nothing compared to what he actually had to pay for a bailiaki, which was 50,000 rand. Anyways, I'm just here to say ngicela penny umusa amaphilisi nemophe nelo nokudla nama-toiletries. Like, there's no reason to starve him and to deny him treatment.